Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about glycopeptides. Glycopeptides are two generations, first generation and second generation. First generation glycopeptides include vancomycin, teicoplanin and ramoplanin, whereas second generation glycopeptides include telovancin, dalbavancin and oritavancin. So first, most important is vancomycin. So vancomycin is the drug which is obtained from Streptococcus aureus. So vancomycin is the drug of choice in methicillin resistant Staphylococcal aureus, IV catheter associated Staphylococcus epidermidis and also pseudomembranous enterocolitis, that is oral. So this vancomycin then if you see, this vancomycin can be given as rapid IV injection which causes histamine release, and this also causes red man syndrome or red neck syndrome. Side effects of vancomycin include they are ototoxic and they have nephrotoxic side effects. Then we have teicoplanin and ramoplanin. Teicoplanin and ramoplanin are less ototoxic and they are less nephrotoxic. Then we have second generation glycopeptides. These second generation glycopeptides have more rapid onset of action and most potent, and the use is similar to that of vancomycin, that is in MRSA and the same others, and this second generation glycopeptides are the last options for ventilator associated pneumonia. If anyone is resistant to vancomycin, then second generation's glycopeptides can be used. Side effect of this is QT prolongation and nephrotoxicity is the side effect of this glycopeptides. Then we have the next important drug, which is daptomycin. This daptomycin is a cell membrane inhibitor. It is used in vancomycin resistant Staphylococcal aureus. It is actually the drug of choice for vancomycin resistant Staphylococcal aureus, methicillin resistant Staphylococcus. It can also be used in methicillin resistant Staphylococcal aureus, sepsis and endocarditis. This is daptomycin is inactivated by pulmonary surfactant. So if you see the drugs which are used for vancomycin resistant Staphylococcal aureus, drugs for vancomycin resistant Staphylococcal aureus include quinpristin and dalfopristin. This include daptomycin, which is the drug of choice for vancomycin resistant Staphylococcal aureus. Then we can also use oritavancin and linezolid. So these are the important drugs used for vancomycin resistant Staphylococcal aureus. Then the last important drug for this class is lorazepam. This lorazepam is similar to cefaclor and this is administered orally. And this lorazepam resembles second generation cephalosporins, and the overdose of this lorazepam causes seizures. So this is about the glycopeptides and other drugs like daptomycin and lorazepam. Thank you for watching.